Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the head-to-head match CONMEBOL Libertadores event group stage versus Argentinos in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how to challenge the event, complete the quest so you get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap play and tap live events and tap this one CONMEBOL Libertadores event. And welcome to CONMEBOL Libertadores event. In this week you are going to face 4 teams in group stage, but 3 days from now there will be knockout stage. You can challenge it 3 days from now. But previous video skill game opponent race, the second one is free kick box wall. Right now we are going to head-to-head match from second half in minutes of 60, and you are leading 1-0 versus Argentinos. Tap play. Welcome to the match. Currently I'm using the Arsenal and we are facing Argentinos Junior. The point is all you need is to hold the score to win this match, or you can add more goals to secure the match. You have to play patiently in this mode because the opponent will be counter attacking, because the opponent, the Argentinos, need to score to make an equal and make us fail. But if you fail in this match, don't worry, you can try more because there are no limit to attempt this event or challenge. So please free to try challenge yourself in this event and try to win it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.